Hello friends, you are on the Franklin Trade channel. Today in this video, we will try to catch a market reversal. As you can already see, there is a very good active movement on the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, but as you can see, the volumes have already dropped significantly, and most likely, with a very high probability, we will now experience a market reversal. There is also a slight divergence on the RSI indicator, and this definitely tells us that the price will soon reverse. Let us begin capturing this movement collectively, because this situation is rather uncommon for us. It seldom happens in our market, and I would like to demonstrate how I will manage it, so you can observe and acquire this experience for yourself. Let us select a line and establish our resistance level. As we can observe, the price has already slightly breached it, examined it, and might progressively advance further, either in an upward direction or a downward direction. However, we can see that the price has entered a sideways movement, which is a clear sign of a reversal. Let's not delay any longer and open a short position right away. The price has increased significantly. We will open together for 3 minutes and of course for $500. I would like, of course, to emphasize a slightly higher level. It is also quite strong for us, and there is a high probability that after the breakthrough, if it does occur, the price will go in that direction. But we will expect that later. After a 100% increase, there should be minimal correction because, as you can see, the volumes have already dropped for us, although at the moment the volume has sharply increased, but the price has not moved. This means that the bears are exerting strong pressure on the market. Let's also take a look at other assets. For instance, the Australian dollar and Swiss franc do not appear to be performing well. Australia and Japan are also consistently surpassing various levels and are highly likely to ultimately achieve this favorable maximum, where you can also attempt to seize a price reversal. Although, to be completely honest, it will mostly be a range because both in Australia and in that location the price movement is very similar. Here is the Australian dollar. The US dollar appears intriguing as well. Primarily, it serves as a guiding force for us due to the fact that the value of other assets is highly comparable to that of this particular asset. We all know about cross pairs, so everything is already perfectly clear and perfectly understandable here. One price somewhere increases and pulls all the others along. Let's examine other assets. They are not particularly interesting to us, but for general knowledge. While we have a deal going on, we can conduct additional analysis because the Euro-Australian dollar also looks quite interesting. Here we also have a level below that we will be breaking through later, but that will be worked on another time. And in Euro-Switzerland there is also a nice level which we will either break through or bounce off of. Here, you need to work specifically based on the situation. Other assets look even more interesting. Some have good breakouts, some have good losses. I have a sideways market here, and just recently there was a very good breakout. It's an ideal situation that could have played out. The price gradually increased and shot up with a good impulse. In the meantime, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar slightly moved against us, showing minor fluctuations in their respective values. No problem, we will now initiate a hedge and certainly close this position in a profitable manner. Friends, also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave a comment. Every person who writes in the comments automatically takes part in the contest. This could assist you in earning a small amount of money and beginning trading with great confidence. All the information is available on my Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it as there is a lot of interesting information there. We also engage in trading and earn profits together. I offer my signals on that platform, which you can replicate and of course enhance your deposit amount. It appears that we need to hedge our position. We should consider doubling our position and opening it accordingly in order to execute a short sale strategy. The price has increased quite well for us. We also recall the divergence that is currently occurring there. The RSI is already falling while the price continues to rise, and we're opening a short position. This is very important, this is very necessary. It is always necessary to cover your losses. I am confident that the price will turn in our favor in this situation. Believe me, I have already worked through thousands of such situations, 1,000 similar reversals. They are all unique, none alike. But they are always connected by one thing. Initially, it is a sharp impulsive rise almost without a pullback. A considerable number of green candles, or for example a substantial amount of red candles, indicate the strength of bulls or bears in the market. Sooner or later the price always stops moving, followed by a small sideways movement, volumes decrease or good selling volumes appear, but the price still does not drop. This implies that numerous buyers and sellers have gathered in one place, or stop orders have been triggered, adding volume, or people have realized it is time to exit positions and thus withdraw their money from this asset. And consequently, because of this, the price will turn around, will fall for us. And when others see that the reversal or fall has indeed started, they start to close their positions as quickly as possible, and then after that the price for us turns around very actively. Usually after some time, sellers re-enter the fray and start buying the price again, specifically in our situation. At the moment, we can already see that this is exactly what is happening. The price has risen, volumes have fallen, good selling volumes have appeared, but at times the price was still impulsively bought up. It would be advantageous to witness shadows, plenty of shadows, especially downward shadows, as it would give us more strength and confidence that the price is being pushed down, but buyers still, they are tired and cannot outbid the sellers because the sellers dominate in this case, and the price of the asset is actively falling for us, and in our situation this is happening. The price has reversed, the price has gone down, we opened the position very timely, covered our previous loss and worked through this trading situation. Friends, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the videos and write your questions in the comments. I will definitely respond to all of them. Our position is closing in the positive, we are covering the loss. I earned $410 and successfully caught that very good reversal. Friends, I want to thank you for watching me. Goodbye and take care.